So in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Python variables and how we can do redeclaration of variables and then how we can delete variables. Okay. Now let's get started. So I'm going to show you, this is our PyCharm. So here, let's create a new Python file. So I will just give naming as swapping and click on OK button. So now I have created one file. So now here I'm going to show you how we can do the swapping part. Okay. So here, let me just write a command called swapping. So in Python, swapping is very simple. Let's say here I have taken a variable called x is equal to 10, right? And let's say y is equal to 5. So two variables I have defined with the two numbers. And if you want to swap, swapping means I need to exchange these values. So x should become 5 and y should become 10. Now simply we can say like x comma y, right, is equal to and y comma x. Simple. So what happens now is y value will be stored into the x and x value will be stored into the y. So once it is swapping is done, we can just print those values. Let's write a print command. So here I can just say, I'll put some message here after swapping values or, okay, now close this quotation and comma, print all the values x comma y. Now if you want to print before swapping, you can just write the same statement here before swapping. So before swapping the values are x comma y. So let's see how it will print. Now run this test. Now we can see before swapping the values are 10, 5 and after swapping the values are 5, 10. So this is a statement we have to use. So y value will be assigned to the x and x value will be assigned to the y. So this is a simple swapping of Python variables. Now I'll show you how to redeclare the variables. Now let me close this. I'll create another Python file. So here I'll name it as a redeclaration. Okay. So here normally in Java or other programming languages, if I declare a variable, so again we cannot redeclare the same variable multiple times, right? But in Python, we can just redeclare this variable. So let's see how we can do that. So let's say a is equal to, I'll just say 100, right? Or I'll say a is equal to 10. Now here, I will just print the value of a. Let's say a here. Okay. Now this will print the value of a. Now after printing this value, I will make a value is equal to 100. So that means I have changed the value. I have redeclared this value. And now again I will print the same variable. So print a. Now let's see the output. So first time it gives a 10 here and the second time it gives a 100 here. So that means we are able to redeclare this value. So we can just redeclare this value any number of times. But in other programming languages, we cannot redeclare this value. So only one time we have declared, we can just change these values, but we cannot redeclare this value. Okay, but in Python, we can just redeclare the values multiple times. So that is all about redeclaration of a variable. So the next thing is deletion of the variable. Let me just create one more file, new Python file. So deletion or deleting variables. Now in this example, I'll show you how to delete the variable. So for example here, let us say a is equal to 10. So it will create a separate memory location, right, which contains a 10. Now here, if I print this value, let's say print of a. Now this will exactly print the value of a because this is already created, which contains some value. Now what I will do is I will just remove that variable by using del keyword. So del specify the variable name. So this statement will delete that variable. So this will delete the variable. So once it is deletes that variable, again I'll try to print the value of a. So what this will print now? So this should give the error. Why? Because here we have already deleted this variable, but still we are trying to print the value of a, right? So first time it will print the value of a, but second time it is deleted here, and then here we are still trying to print the value of a, so it will throw an error. Let's run this. Now you can see here the first value of a is printed as a 10, but after that I have just deleted this variable, and still I'm trying to fetch that value of a. So what error it is giving? So it's giving name error. So name a is not defined. So this is an error we are getting here. Name error. So when we are getting this name error, suppose if you have not declared something, or it can be function, or it can be variable, or it can be class, whatever. If you are not declared, but still we are trying to use it, so in those cases you will get name error. So here a is a variable which is already deleted, but still I am trying to get that value from a, so that it is giving a name error. So this is how we need to delete the variable. So we have seen how to swapping variables, how to redeclaring variables, how to delete variables. So this is about swapping, redeclaring and deleting. So that's all for this video. So thank you all. Please subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thank you.